Silence is the absolute poise or balance of body, mind, and spirit. A nation is not conquered until the hearts of its women are on the ground. Then it is done, no matter how brave its warriors or how strong its weapons. The more you give, the more good things come to you. A good soldier is a spiritual soldier. It is not through our eyes, but through our words that we think and live. It is easy to be brave from a safe distance. You have to dream yourself to the place you want to be. Nature is the storehouse of potential life for future generations and is sacred. A man should not be judged by the mistakes he has made, but by what he has learned from them. The Great Spirit is not perfect, only the Great Mystery is perfect. The pipe is our prayers in physical form. Smoke becomes our words, it goes out, touches everything, and becomes part of all there is. In conclusion, John Lame-Deer's words continue to inspire and educate people today, reminding us to reconnect with nature, honor our spiritual beliefs, and respect all living beings.